And now that means you have to go start painting.
Okay. This is where we're at right now. Gonna add some more color to it and then do another layer of this block coat. Really cute start.
Sometime later.
We have to finish up this little lady. I really need to get a better tripod situation. That looks so gross. So I'm gonna keep painting, but I'm gonna also listen to Stephanie Sue.
Hit the intro.
Quack, quack. I don't know if I love this or hate this. Maybe I'll water some down and paint that in for the white, because the white and the turquoise, I'm not loving it. Yeah, I'm gonna get some water. She's so pouty. Eyeliner sharp enough to kill a man. She's so grumpy. It's almost like puff paint. It's on their thickums. Ah, shit, I was gonna do her eyes. Fuck! You ready?
Oh my god! It's so cute!
You like
I
it?
love it.